Are you looking for a way to naturally relieve constipation that doesn't involve a laxative or some sort of magnesium that you have to mix up in your water or take in a capsule? Today, I'm going to share with you 3 natural ways to help you poop better, faster, and more regularly. I'm so excited to share today's Talking Shit Show. Welcome to our Talking Shit Show. This is my series that digs into all things related to your digestive health. And today you've come to this video because you are probably dealing with some degree of constipation. And maybe you're even seeking a better solution for moving your bowels better and more naturally. My all-time favorite in getting your bowels moving is simply drinking a cup or 2 or maybe 3 a day of Dandelion Tea. Dandelion Tea is going to harness 1,500 milligrams of this powerful liver supportive that functions both as a diuretic and will enhance bile production from your liver to help lubricate and move your bowels. This lubrication is really key for folks who have straining, hemorrhoids, and find that the movement is just not as frequent as they desire. Dandelion is a powerful solution. Number 2 addresses a hidden micronutrient imbalance that often creates constipation, and that is a Lugol's liquid iodine. Simply adding 2 to 3 drops of liquid iodine will both soften your stools and improve the transit of the bowels. A lot of times constipation, an underlying factor here, is hypothyroidism and a deficiency in iodine receptivity in the body. Iodine functions to enhance your gastric juices. It improves your digestive process, helping you digest better and assimilate food better, breaking down foods even better, and also balances your fluid levels. That fluid balance also is part of the hydration process, helping move impacted and dehydrated contents out of your bowels. My third remedy is often a favorite snack of a lot of my patients, and it is to consume 1 cup, so 8 ounces, of a chia seed pudding. I'll include a link where you can grab my free recipe. This is a 1-page link that you can grab and download my fan favorite chia seed pudding recipe. Chia seeds are going to deliver 10 grams of soluble fiber that soaks in all the goodness of the ingredients in our chia seed pudding and hydrates and bulks up the bowels, and the contents in the bowels move better. Chia seed is a natural softener to the stool, and one of the phytonutrients in chia seeds are omega-3s. Our omega-3s are really powerful for soothing inflamed bowel tissue and bowel lining. Very, very, very effective when you consume a chia seed pudding as a dessert after your dinner. That's how I recommend it for a lot of my patients, because when you consume it later in the day, all the benefits of the chia seeds and their dense fibrous content is going to move and help the transit time. So don't be surprised if you wake up and have a really good, healthy, solidly formed 1 straight log or bowel movement. This is the beauty of chia seeds. And in fact, chia seeds can absorb 10 times their weight. So when we use a chia seed pudding, we're already hydrating those chia seeds. So when they get in the body, they just move the bowels. And with all 3 of these recommendations, unlike laxatives and certain magnesiums like magnesium citrate that you're finding in a lot of the constipation reducers, these are not harmful to your bowels, and they are not going to cause any type of situation where you're dependent on them, and they're also not going to cause diarrhea. So my Talking Shit Show question of the day: which of these 3 items are you regularly consuming? Which ones might you want to add into your regular routine? And also, just a quick note, you can take all 3 of these on the daily. So when you add iodine and dandelion and chia seed pudding to your daily routine, oh friends, don't be surprised if your regularity moves to 2 to 3 and sometimes 4 times a day. Smaller quantities, easier transit, and just ease of moving the bowels. You're going to feel great And also you might notice that you're gonna lose 2 to 5 pounds of excess mass that is moving out and evacuating out of your body. This is all very powerful in its properties and benefits here, and I love sharing these tips with you. I look forward to seeing you on our next video. Hi, Daisy. You wanna say hi to everybody? Hi, Daisy, you wanna say hi to everybody? Look, this is my puppy girl. She's my office mate. She's a little Dector. Say hi, Daisy. Say hi, Daisy, hi, Daisy. My puppy. This is my director, right?